In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Comerica mobile branches and ATMs near you step by step. Whether you're on the go or just want to know where the nearest Comerica facilities are, I'll guide you through this straightforward process so you can easily locate what you need right from your computer or mobile device. First up, open your web browser and head over to Comerica.com. This is the official Comerica website, and it's your go-to for finding all things Comerica, including mobile branches and ATMs. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. You'll find a range of services from personal banking to small business solutions, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on locating branches and ATMs. Now let's continue by navigating to the menu. You'll notice it positioned at the top left corner of the page. Clicking on this menu expands a list of options and serves as your gateway to more detailed navigation throughout the Comerica site. This is a common feature on most websites, designed to give you comprehensive access while keeping the main page clean and uncluttered. Once the menu drops down, pay attention and look for the option labeled Locations. This is your next stop. By clicking on Locations, you're directly entering the search area where you can find all Comerica branches and ATMs close to your desired location. This feature is incredibly user-friendly, and it's structured to ensure you find the necessary information with ease. In this location search page, you have a couple of options depending on how you'd like to conduct your search. You can either enter a specific city, state, or zip code into the designated search bar. This is ideal if you know exactly where you're headed or want to see options in a particular area. Alternatively, if you're more interested in what's available near your current location, there should be a feature for detecting locations around you. This is particularly handy if you're planning on traveling or you suddenly find yourself in need of Comerica services while you're out and about. And there you have it, the simple steps to find Comerica's mobile branches and ATMs wherever you might be. Remember to bookmark the Comerica page for quick access in the future, making your financial needs just a few clicks away. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that you feel confident finding Comerica locations anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.